Enabling or disabling Bluetooth on your iPhone 16 helps manage wireless connections with accessories and conserve battery life when not in use. Here's how to access and manage Bluetooth settings on the new iPhone. The first method we'll demonstrate is through the Settings menu. To do this, swipe up from the bottom of the current display to get to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on the Settings icon. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Bluetooth. Finally, tap the Bluetooth switch to turn the feature on or off. If prompted, tap Turn Off to confirm action. Alternatively, you can turn Bluetooth on or off through the Control Center. To do this, swipe down from the top right corner to open the Control Center. Once you're in the control panel, find and tap the Bluetooth icon to toggle the feature on or off. When disabled, all Bluetooth connections will be disconnected until re-enabled on your device. Bluetooth allows wireless communication between your iPhone and devices like headphones, speakers, and cars. This likewise enables features like hands-free calls, audio streaming, and data sharing. Meanwhile, turning it off saves battery life and prevents unwanted connections on your device. You can manage this setting at any time by following the same steps to get to the Bluetooth menu. And that's how you access and manage Bluetooth settings on your iPhone 16. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more relevant smartphone tutorials and troubleshooting guides.